today for Chapter 13, we're going to work on Geometry Sketchpad and learn about the Pythagorean Theorem and how we can prove the Pythagorean Theorem using this file. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select point Y and we're going to make it larger and smaller. And as we do, we notice proportionally everything gets larger or smaller, but in proportion it's still the same. So what we have here is we have A, which forms square A. So the square of A is this yellow area here. And then we have the line which is B, which forms square B. And then the hypotenuse is right here, this line C, which forms square C. So as we saw before, we can make this bigger or smaller, but the relationship between A and B and C still stays proportional. Now if we unclick Y and click X and we change the value of A, notice B is staying consistent, but A and C are changing because this angle here and this angle here are both changing, but the right angle is still staying a right angle. So we see that this is the Pythagorean theorem, where the square of A plus the square of B is equal to the square of C. And now we're going to click on this button right here, which will give us a proof of that. So let's do that. Notice we've cut the square of B into these pieces, and now we're moving the pieces into the square of C. And now we take that square of A and it fits exactly right in the middle. So what we see here is if we added the square of A plus the square of B, it's going to be equal to the square of C. And now I'm going to reset and put everything back so you can see where those came from. There is another activity that you can do with quadrilateral pieces where you make solutions to quadrilaterals, and it has the same proof of the Pythagorean theorem. So thank you, Fiona and Kayla, for sending questions about this week's activity. And this is all for today for Geometry Sketchpad, the Pythagorean Theorem. See you next time.